then Lisa said, if you ask them for 1 week, then it's only for 2 or 3 videos, right? If they post 2 or 3 videos a week. So this is about the end screen promotion, guys. So basically what I always do with this way of promoting them is, so it's not for 2 or 3 videos, Lisa. So you pick your best video. So you have your best video here. And then this competitor channel picks their top 10 videos or top 15 videos and all send their end screens to your channel, to your video, I mean, to your best video. So if someone from their audience watches the video and gets to the end of the video, they click like watch next or suggested, right? In the suggested bar or like up next, they click your video and then they get brought to your channel and watch it. And because they are interested in the topic they just watched and your channel is the same niche as that competitor channel, you have a high likelihood of them subscribing and watching a long part of your video. So they send traffic from 10 videos for a whole week to one of your videos. That's how I set it up usually. Yeah, so how it works, if you upload a video and you go to the content tab of that video, you can pick the end screen video that you want to show when the video ends. So if you watch a YouTube video, at the end it says like watch next this video or subscribe to the channel with like this subscribe button, right? If you upload your videos, you can choose which videos or playlists are in there. I really like doing this if you have a particular niche that has a lot of competitor channels in the same niche and with your audience. And depending on the size of their channel, it can give you a lot of views or it can give you no views, right? So sometimes this is why I always like to ask them to share their analytics of their top 10 or 15 videos or just the views on the 24-hour. So you know that they are getting consistent views that they will send to your channel. And then you ask, and would you recommend that for every new channel to boost the growth? It's your own choice. Of course, it is a paid method to grow. It can help you grow quicker and like help the algorithm find your audience quicker. It depends on your budget and how quickly you want to grow. And if there's good competitors in the market. Also, I try to spend like $50 for the week on 10 or 15 videos. Maybe some bigger channels ask like 100, 200, 300. So you want to like, it's a risk, right? Because you don't know what you're getting back for it. But if you have like 2, 3, 4, 5 videos online or a good playlist, I would definitely give it a try. Not so much when you have only one video, because then the audience that comes to your channel can only watch one video, right? So if you have like 4 or 5 uploaded, then they have more to watch.